Neighborhood watch is the key thing to work in concert with the police department. We did it in our neighborhood. We had 3 foreclosures. We monitored the realtors. We told them what we wanted without crossing the line of discrimination. And we asked them to work with us to put correct people, good people in our community. So we need to support the police and get busy with neighborhood watch. Thank you.
It makes me feel afraid.
Lawrence Gazzino claims his neighbors are gang stalking him because he plays loud music late at night and is outspoken. He said for the last year and a half he's been systematically followed by a group of people. At one point he said they climbed on his roof to harass him. Gazzino said he's developed a paranoia that's devastated his relationships with friends and, worst of all, family.
And we asked them to work with us to put correct people, good people in our community. And we asked them to work with us to put correct people, good people in our community.
Well, that's the worst part of it. If it was me, I would take action.
Santa Cruz Police Lieutenant Larry Richards said police are becoming more aware of gang stalking because of cyberbullying.
Key thing to work in concert with the police department.
But what is gang stalking?
Gang stalking is also known as vigilante stalking or cause stalking, and it involves using several different individuals and vehicles to give a person the message that they are being stalked, yet not give them the ability to identify a single perpetrator.
We monitor.
I hadn't realized the cyclist was sitting at the corner. I actually discovered him after I zoomed in on him. So I decided to sit and keep filming. This is something the stalkers didn't expect me to do. Notice the hand movements here. The guy lifts up his hands, points at the car that's approaching. His hands go back down again, and then he leans towards the car. Also, notice that the white car is missing a hubcap. This is important because the car will be coming back. You may have noticed that I've altered the video slightly. I've inserted still images to illustrate certain points a little more easily. As the ladies approach the corner, there's no indication that they know the guy until they get close to him. Watch as the blonde woman walks toward him, and obviously he says something to her, and she turns around and looks in my direction. The other woman seems to stop herself from turning around completely. The blonde woman points at me. Watch now as the guy on the bike signals someone else. He looks at his wrist as though looking at the time, then turns his palms upward as if to say, "I don't know what's going on." This is just before a cyclist and a car come by. Certain behaviors are repeated in order to let the victim know that something is happening. In my case, cars, cyclists, and pedestrians are used when I leave the house, and also when I'm coming back to the house.
We monitor.
Basically, the victims could be driving their car or talking on their phones or walking the streets when a group of people try to systematically terrorize them. Richard said gang stalking is nothing new, but new technology is making it more common.
Gang stalking itself, they have elevated themselves to technology. So this is something that's been going on before the age of Facebook, Twitter, those other social websites. They just now have gone into those areas.
Key thing to work in concert with the police department. And we asked them to work with us to put correct people, good people in our community. We monitor. Key thing to work in concert with the police department. We monitor, and we ask them to work with us to put correct people, good people in our community. We monitor. Key thing to work in concert with the police department.
Gazzino said he's proof that the problem isn't just online and that it can hit too close to home. A home he plans on leaving because of gang stalking.
We ask them to work with us to put correct people, good people in our community.
I want to be able to go to the tennis courts and play tennis or play ping pong without people following us everywhere. It's just nerve-wracking.
We monitor, we monitor, we monitor, we monitor, we monitor.
I'm Candace Wen in Salinas, your Central Coast News.
We monitor, we monitor, we monitor, we monitor, we monitor. So we need to support the police and get busy with neighborhood watch. Thank you.
Disciples of the watch, I stand before you in the name of the one true God, who was cast out from heaven, but is alive in me. Do you hear me? Slay the Nazarene, and I shall reign forever. Fail, and I perish. Slay the Nazarene, and you, my disciples, shall truly inherit this earth. Fail, and you will be condemned to a numbing eternity in the fleshy bosom of Christ. Do you hear me?
Support the police and get busy with neighborhood watch. Thank you.